All right, guys. So yesterday, the beautiful Miss Alma comes to me and says, "I'm reading on Facebook that we need a booster shot to go on this cruise. Do we? Don't we?" Baby, no, we don't. Are you sure? Well, she knows the number one rule is to always verify. So stick around. We're gonna find out. Do we need a booster shot to go on our Carnival cruise? All right, guys, so do we or don't we need a booster shot? Like I said, always verify. Don't trust your neighbor. Don't trust no Facebook group. I mean, sometimes don't even trust Carnival. I mean, somebody said that somebody from Carnival said this and that. Well, let's find out what Carnival actually says. Let's go on over to their internet page and figure it out. Let me get these glasses because I'm getting blind. All right, I got it pulled up right here on the interweb, and we're going to go over to carnival.com, go to the COVID-19 safety protocol. I mean, they got it there. All you got to do is look. Now, it says vaccination and testing standards. Fully vaccinated guests. Now, they're requiring basically all guests to be fully vaccinated, unless you get an exemption. Now, vaccinated cruises are available for guests who have received their final dose of an approved COVID-19 vaccine at least 14 days prior to the sailing day. That doesn't include embarkation day. Now, you also have to have proof of that. If you don't, they're not going to let you get on the cruise ship. Now, of course, as you read down a little further, it says the following voyages require fully vaccinated guests who are more than 6 months past the last dose of their initial vaccine series to be boosted in order to sail. Now, see, that's probably where all the misinformation comes from. They got a few cruises that you have to be boosted. Now, this is on the Carnival Pride and Carnival Celebration Europe. These are all 2022 departures. Now, it is also on the Carnival Splendor 23-day Carnival Journey Trans-Pacific Cruise. That's September 6, 2022. See, this is going to other places. That's the reason why you got to be fully vaccinated and boosted. Now, you go a little further down here, it says testing requirements. Except where destination requirements differ, guests who are up to date with their vaccines may take their test within 3 days prior to sailing. That means if you're leaving on a Saturday, then you can take it on a Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, or Saturday. But you got to make sure that test comes back. Because again, if you do not have proof, they're not letting you get on the cruise. Now, that's if you've been fully vaccinated and have the booster shot. Now, if you're just fully vaccinated and do not have that booster shot, then guess what? You have to take your test 2 days prior to getting on the cruise ship. That means if you're leaving out on a Saturday, then you got to take it Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. And again, make sure you got your proof of this. You want to get on that cruise, right? Now, there are a few exceptions, like Bermuda and Canada. Fully vaccinated guests traveling to Bermuda and Canada, including those who are up to date with their vaccines, can take either a PCR test between 72 and 24 hours prior to sailing, or an antigen pre-cruise test no earlier than 2 days prior to sailing, in order to comply with the CDC destination regulations. Now, see, there you go. Go to the horse's mouth. Go to the source. And Carnival, that's the source, because that's the cruise we're going on. So, do we or don't we need a booster? Nope, don't need it. So, we're getting on this big boat June the 20th, 2022, out of Charleston, South Carolina. We will be all fully vaccinated as of this week, coming up week, because Miss Ellie, she's going to get her second dose this week. So we're all going to be fully vaccinated, and there you have it. We're getting on this cruise ship. We're going to have fun, ain't no doubt. So, guys, love you, and we'll see you next time. Woo! Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Guys, if you're not, already a subscriber, please consider doing so. It don't cost you a thing. You subscribe, share, hit the like button, Hit that little notification dingy bell. That way you get notified of all upcoming videos, because we will be having more. I mean, we'll be on the Carnival Sunshine in less than a month. So we're definitely going to be putting out more videos. And again, it doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps us out. So if you don't mind, please subscribe.